Alright, this is part 3 of our series. I called it series. Funny. Alright, so on the right side, we have now a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 6 questions. And they're divided into twos. So we're going to do the twos of each section, okay? And this time around is about an experience happening in a restaurant. Okay, so it's a little bit different, but let's go. So here we go. And you buy food, so $85. You're at the restaurant, it's paying $85. Okay, and you have sales tax and tip. Okay, so let's figure out. So $85. Step one, I guess. Step one, you want to find the tax. So $85, what you're paying no matter what, and they're charging you a tax of 5.75% of your food bill. Okay, that changes to 0.0575 because you're moving the decimal 2 spaces to the left, and you're multiplying 85 times that. So 85 times 0.0575 gives you 4.8875. Okay, that's our tax, but remember, money breaks off right here, and that rounds off to $4.89 because that 7 is going to make the 8 go one higher. So there's our tax, $4.89. Okay. Step 2, we want to find our tip. How much are we tipping our waiter or waitress? So still, it's based on our food. Our food was 85, and we're tipping him. How much are we tipping him? 15%. Okay. So it's 85 times 0.15. Okay. And 85 times 15 is 12.75. That came out to a nice number. Okay. So this was a tax. This was a tip. Okay. Remember, tax is something that you add to your total, and tip is something that you add to your total. So 3, to find out the total, you're going to add the food that you ate, which was $85, and I'm going to add a decimal and 2 zeros. Okay, because that's going to help me out. I'm going to add the tax, which was $4.89. And I'm going to add the tip, which was $12.75. Add it up. 4, 16 goes 1, 10, 12 goes 1 again. $102 is my total. That includes my food, my taxes, and my tip. Okay? So let's do number 2 from the middle section. This time, we only spent $40 in the restaurant. So step 1, again, is to find the taxes. In this case, taxes are 9%, or 40 times, better yet, 0.09. Okay, multiply that out. And you're going to find out that you're going to pay $3.60, okay, in taxes. Then we're doing the tips, which again is $40. Tips is based on the food that you were served. And we're giving her 19%. Wow, okay, lots, 19%. And 40 times 0.19. And so 40 times 0.19 gives us $7.60. That's our tip. Okay, and then 3, we have to find our bill, our complete bill. So we're paying for food, which is $40. Paying for taxes, which was $3.60. And we're paying for tips, which was $7.60. And we have to add all up. 0, 12, 11, 5, $51 and 20 cents. Okay. Excuse me. And we have one more question. And this time around it's only $38. So step 1, you got to check. You ask for a check, or, well, it's in the process. So your waitress is calculating everything. It's $38. And we want to find out the tax. So tax is 6%, which you're going to change to 0.06, multiplied by 38. So what do we get here? 38 times 0.06 should give you $2.28. That's what your taxes are going to be. That's step one. Now you want to find the tip. The tip is again based on the food, 38 times, and how much tip are we giving our waiter? He's going to get 17%. Okay, so 17% does change to 0.17. Move the decimal 2 spaces to the left. And we're going to multiply by 38. And our waiter is going to get 38 times 0.17, 646. $6.46. So, how much did we spend this evening? So this evening we spent $38 for food, and I'm going to write with 2 decimal places. $2.28 for our local government, and $6.46 for our waiter waitress. Okay, I'm going to add this up. 8 and 6 is 14. Carry the 1 is 7. 8 and 2 is 10, plus 6 is 16, goes 1 is 46. Our total for this particular evening is $46.74. I think that's it. Oh yeah, there's the grids. So I'll do grids on the next video. So there's one more video. I'm trying to keep this video short. Okay. Okay. So part 4 will be the grids. Okay, which I'll post right away.